Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can view hidden conversations on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, first thing you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, open up your Snapchat app. You're gonna go to the chat tab, and from this section you're gonna go to the search option on top, and you're going to search the name of the particular person. Right, once you have searched their particular ID right over there, then you will find the hidden conversation, or that conversation will appear with that person. Go ahead, tap on it, and you can check out if they weren't fully deleted. Then what you can do, you can simply go ahead, go to your friend list, go to manage friendship, and when you have found your friends, you should be able to also find out the particular friend right over here in this list. Go ahead, tap on it, and you should be able to check out the hidden conversation from there. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.